Hello and welcome. Today we're going to unbox and try out the BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Carpet Cleaner. In the box you get the actual cleaner, a coupon, attachment hose, measuring cup, attachment head, another head, a manual, gallon water tank for the water obviously in the cleaner, handle, cleaning tool, solution, and the vacuum handle. Here's a side view. Not too big. Okay, let's put this thing together. The tank has a little guide. You slide it in. Let's fill up the gallon tank. So we have our solution. And this, I filled it up already, so you add the water to the water line. And then you put the solution in, the formula in, until you hit the formula line. There you go, cap it up. Let's plop it in. Oh, make sure use the guides. There we go, let's get started. So this is what I want to start off cleaning. This is our stair landing. We've been in this house for 12 years and I haven't ever cleaned the carpet, so we'll see how this works. A couple stains here and there, and obviously really black from wear and tear. Here's a release lever, settings. We're going to do deep clean. And on the other side is the power button. Let's get started. So after I did the landing, lots of pilling. I think it's from our carpet being so old. I didn't like that. So let's add the attachment hose to do the other part of the stairs. Here's a stain, let's try to get out. Let's focus on this one. I'm not sure how long that's been here. I'm gonna assume this stain honestly has been here maybe at least over a year, maybe 2 years. See, lots of pilling. I think it's from the carpet, not the actual machine. Let's see what we can get. Okay, it's starting to get it out. Huh, not bad. Here's a stain upstairs. This has been here probably at least 4 months. I think it's spit up from the baby. Here's another organic stain. I'm not sure what this is. This, I think, has been here probably at least 2 years. Oh, yeah, not too bad, not too bad. I did a lot of spot cleaning. I didn't clear the whole floor just because I just wanted to try it out. Here's another stain. This probably has been here. It's an organic stain. I don't know if it's chocolate milk or I don't even know. I have 3 children, so who knows what it was, but I think this has been here for over 2 years. Another little stain, not sure what this is or when this was here. It's not coming out as easy as the other ones. So here's a play makeup stain in one of my daughter's bedrooms. I think this was eyeliner. She was having a tantrum. She wrote all over the carpet. Looks like it's not really coming up. This has been here for probably, well, she's 4 now, so probably over 2 years. Here's another makeup accident, tantrum accident. This is play makeup. Again, this one has probably been here for 2 years also. Coming out a little bit. I think if I work more on these stains with the actual hand tool and scrub for a while, I think it would get out better. So overall, this carpet cleaner is pretty good. I don't know if it's just because I haven't cleaned the carpet ever, or this is a good product, but I didn't like all the pilling. I think it has to do with our cheap carpet that we got when the house was built, but it worked pretty good. A lot of the organic stains that we had came out really quick and really good, but the other stains that you saw with the makeup, the cheap makeup, the play makeup, didn't come out so great. But I think if we actually tackled those stains when it happened, then I think our results would have been better. But overall, this is really good. I like it. Good product. Thanks for joining. We'll see you soon.